Management of Maruti to speak to ET Now today. Thank you for joining us, sirs. It's lovely to have you on our channel as usual. So, what kind of consumption are we looking at in the rural market? Considering that the budget that has passed was a rural budget, what kind of demand do we see? Do we see it picking up? And what does it mean for Maruti, considering that the focus was in agriculture this time, sir?
Well, I'll answer your question, but I would have loved to answer, more questions about Future S, which we have launched just a few minutes ago. Nevertheless, rural markets are looking positive. Last year we had about 16% growth in the rural markets, which exceeds the growth of urban markets. Now this budget being focused on say agriculturists as well as rural development, infrastructure. So certainly we expect that growth momentum would be higher in the rural areas. Nevertheless, we are focused at the urban customers as well. So moving forward, we expect good growth opportunities.
So there has been a 2020 number that has been placed on the first EV from Maruti, and considering that the BS3 to BS4 to BS6 conversion is at that time as well. So what kind of R&D challenges are we looking at that time, and are we equipped as a company to be able to handle that kind of change in such a short time, sir?
Definitely. I think as far as the regulations are concerned, we are now looking at safety regulations as well as emission regulations going forward. And as far as safety is concerned, we already have 8 models which have already been homologated for the future regulations. As far as emission is concerned, you said rightly, April 2020 is the deadline for BS6. We are well on course as far as the deadline is concerned. We are going to make sure that all our products are going to meet the BS6 deadline. And also you talked about the electric vehicle. That's as part of the government's initiative. Government is looking for electrification of the fleet. So both looking at hybrids as well as electric vehicles. We already are into hybrids and we are going to talk about it a little more today in the evening. And as far as electric vehicle is concerned, we want to participate in that. We are doing a study on what the customer is looking for, what kind of infrastructure needs to be set up. And I think basis that we have already announced that 2020 will have our first EV.
So how do you think it will impact jobs going forward for Maruti?
I think it's a step where you are going to see an ecosystem which is going to develop, where you are going to have IC engines with hybrid technology, also with electric vehicles also coming up. The market is going to grow. As we know that in 2025, 2030, the market will grow to 8 to 9 million. And so therefore there is a lot of opportunity, and we need to ensure that we are future ready in terms of looking at all sorts of technologies, alternate fuels, hybrid technology, electric vehicle technology, and we need to work on all of that.
So analysts and private players alike were looking forward